Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix backing up messages in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Firstly, just go to your WhatsApp and go to your settings. And then over here, you'll see the chats option just below privacy and just above notifications. Just go over there. Note guys that I'm using an iOS version, so I'll be guiding you with the iOS version, or let's say the iOS device mode. So just get with me guys. And then once over here, so let me just show you once again. First you just go to settings and then to the chats, which is just below privacy and just above notifications. And then what you need to do is just go with the chat backup, and over here you'll be seeing guys auto backup in daily, weekly or monthly or off. So sometimes what happens is it's off and the backing up messages will not happen. So to fix it, just go with daily or weekly or monthly. So mine is just daily and just like that, and you can choose backup now and it will start backing up guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.